Well, good afternoon. Markets have just closed here on the 19th of July, and it was a positive day for grains. I think everything was lower this morning, with the exception of the dollar. Uh, Things changed. The grain markets came back and closed higher on the day. Cotton struggled throughout most of the day and closed down on the day. Other than that, looking at the board, most things were up except precious metals in the stock market. So let's take a look at where we are here. December cotton down 51 at 87.57. Tried to rally quite a few times today, just finally gave up, and the market started to sink some. 87.57, a low of 87.30, a high of 88.46. November soybeans up 4 at 861 and 3/4 with a high of 862 and a half, made late, and a low of 851 and 3/4. The corn, the December corn was up 4 at 365, a high of 366, a low of 358 and 3/4. September wheat was up 10 at 504 and a half, and we had a high of 505 and 3/4, a low of 409 and a quarter. Outside markets, crude oil was up 73 cents a barrel, the dollar down 48, gold down $2 an ounce, silver down 18 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones is down 88. So a surprisingly positive day for grains. They seem, after the recent rally we had, that they were ready to set back. Matter of fact, at one point today, I think that November soybeans were down 6 on the day this morning, and to go from down 6 to up 4 is pretty impressive. The cotton market has tried to move up and hold its gains. It just seems to be getting a little fatigued. We might see a little profit taking. Don't expect much of a move down. There are analysts that are starting to come out now with some pretty positive statements about what cotton could do. I still think we've got to have some kind of a trade agreement or a lifting of the sanctions, something that's positive. I think with that, you can see a really good move to the upside. That's it. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.